Hey again, this is Ryan with the KWU Tech Training Team, and I'm back with some more tips and tricks on how teams run their businesses in Command. So one of the best applets in all of Command is the Smartplans applet that allows you to really automate and streamline your workflows when it comes to sending email follow-ups, text messages through the Twilio integration, and of course tasks in the form of action items for accountability over time. But when it comes to teams in particular, there are some particular ways that we want to make sure that we are setting our teams up for success and standardizing those workflows across the team. So let's take a look. To get started, we're going to navigate to our Smartplans applet, which is all about establishing those systems and processes and really ensuring that everyone on the team is on the same page. So with that in mind, in our Smartplans applet, from a team perspective, our permission levels are going to impact this applet. We call that teamified, by having our enhanced and unlimited permission level team members set up the framework for how the rest of our team uses this applet. So what that means is that I will only see the ability to create a new smart plan, to download a smart plan from the library, which is full of leverage of all the other KW agents in the world, or even to edit a particular smart plan if I have those enhanced or unlimited level permissions. If I'm a standard level agent on the team, all I'm going to do in the Smartplans applet is take a look at the library of what's available here, curated by those with those enhanced and unlimited permission team members. I'm going to then be able to add those contacts that I have been assigned to on the team to the smart plans that are made available here. And the big thing to keep in mind when we are setting up and curating that library of smart plans that will be available for our team to then utilize for their clients is the one and only smart plan setting. So in order to reach our settings here, here's a shortcut. We can always go the long way of going through the menu and clicking into settings, but also when you're within an applet, if you ever see that gear icon, that's going to take you straight to those settings for that particular applet. So if I click that gear here, I'll be taken into my smart plan settings, and there is one and only, but it's a very important one. That is our designated agents setting. So this is going to allow you to assign specifically who's responsible for each of the types of steps that can be triggered within a smart plan. So when those emails are going out automatically, do you want those to come from the Rainmaker or the contact assignee? Right? Chances are those clients are going to be dealing with the contact assignee on a day-to-day basis. So it'll feel more familiar if it's coming from them as opposed to the owner of the team. Likewise with tasks, who would you want those tasks to be assigned to? If a smart plan step has a task that says, leave a personalized note for Mr. Johnson on their doorstep, do you want that to be taken care of by the Rainmaker or by the person who has been working with Mr. Johnson on a day-to-day basis? So you can set that to the contact assignee here to ensure that that individual agent will be the one who receives that task and can check it off and cross it when it's done. And of course, with our text messages, we know that we send and receive text messages within Command through the use of the Twilio integration, which requires a subscription. So if you would like to have all text messages launching from the Rainmaker's number by default, or if you would like to have individual subscriptions for Twilio for every member of your team, then you can also set that to launch from the contact assignee. And that is how you take that personalization aspect of smart plans to that next level, because our clients know one individual, one point person, if you would, who they've been working with and who has been handling the ins and outs of their transaction from cultivate to close. So we can continue that trust and keep that relationship alive as it's being cultivated over time through the use of setting designated agents in our smart plan settings. And that is a pro tip on how you can ensure that all of your workflows are standardized and all of the steps of those workflows are assigned to the appropriate member of your team. So there's a lot more to learn about Teams functionality here in Command. So go ahead and click to the next video and check out more to come.